Fitcamx 4K+1080P dash cam for Hyundai IONIQ 5. OEM look, tiny but mighty. Ever felt anxious about road incidents or parked car mishaps while driving your IONIQ 5? Clunky dash cams, tangled wires, or low-quality footage leave you frustrated, distracted, and insecure. You keep replaying scenarios in your mind. What if you had clear evidence when it really mattered? That nagging worry can feel like a constant mental block every time you hit the road. Stress ramps up when accidents happen or suspicious activity occurs while parked. Missing crucial details, blurry license plates, or a camera that fails in low light can mean lost claims or unresolved disputes. Your peace of mind takes a hit and anxiety creeps in, because relying on subpar or awkward aftermarket cams just isn't enough for your premium ride. Introducing the Fitcamx front 4K plus rear 1080p dash cam, HD2, NI000, for Hyundai IONIQ 5, 2025, 7 vents, and IONIQ 5N, 2024. Its OEM-style design blends seamlessly into your vehicle, hiding all wires and looking factory-installed. The front 4K camera captures crystal-clear footage, even in low light with wide dynamic range, while the rear 1080p camera covers the back with waterproof reliability. Built-in Wi-Fi and the Fitcamx app let you instantly view, download, or manage videos from your phone. Loop recording and a G-sensor automatically secure critical clips during collisions. One user shared, "It caught a door ding incident while parked. Instant proof without lifting a finger." Installation is effortless. No tools. Plug and play via the car's power harness. The included 128GB card supports up to 256GB, ensures hours of smooth recording. Rugged, durable ABS+PC construction withstands -20 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius, providing reliability in every climate. Finally, a dash cam that protects your ride without ruining the IONIQ 5's sleek interior. The benefits are undeniable: peace of mind, seamless integration, and uncompromised video quality. Experts rave. The Fitcamx sets a new standard for IONIQ 5 dash cams, virtually undetectable with flawless 4K footage. Influencers echo. Installation took minutes, and the app is intuitive, perfect for EV enthusiasts. Users report capturing incidents effortlessly. Parking mode recorded a minor collision. Evidence saved automatically. No stress. This dash cam preserves your vehicle's sleek OEM look while providing full coverage. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can instantly review footage, share with authorities, or back it up on your PC. Loop recording and G-sensor protection ensure important videos are never lost. Its durable construction works in extreme temperatures, and the 128GB card stores hours of footage without worry. Whether you're driving daily, commuting, or leaving your car unattended, this system delivers confidence, clarity, and reliability. Can a dash cam really feel like a factory upgrade? Thousands of IONIQ 5 owners say yes. Experience crisp daytime clarity, accurate night recordings, and effortless monitoring, all wrapped in a discreet, elegant design that doesn't steal your interior's attention. Don't risk accidents, theft, or unrecorded evidence with a cheap or awkward dash cam. The Fitcamx 4K+1080p dash cam is ready to protect your Hyundai IONIQ 5 today. Act now, limited stock, and join thousands who already enjoy seamless OEM integration, crystal clear video, and total peace of mind. Plug-and-play installation, app connectivity, and durable design make this a no-brainer upgrade. Seize the chance, secure yours today, and never worry about capturing crucial moments again.